Hi guys, Ignacio here, the non-expert. I'll be remaking some of my old recipes. I think it's only fair. I've gotten a little better at making videos. So I am gonna start with mango bread. Basically, it's mango season here in Florida, so that's a good thing. Remember to follow me on YouTube. You're gonna look for Ignacio Solano mango bread and follow me, recommend me to your friends. So let's begin. Some of these mangoes have a lot of blemishes, but don't worry about it because once you peel them, the flavor is going to be very nice. And pretty much when they start getting this many blemishes, they're like becoming overripe. They're still going to be good, especially for baking or preserves or what have you. I'm also going to enhance the mango flavor by using mango extract. This is something I bought online, but need not worry. If you don't have mango extract, you can always use your vanilla extract, which will work perfectly fine. For your nuts, in the recipe, you can use pecans or almonds. Pecans have a richer texture and flavor. It's like a stronger, nuttier flavor. You can use whatever nut you have in the pantry or you prefer.